Hello guys, in this video we'll be guiding you through how to change maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are subscribed to at least one of the plans, as that will give you access to Microsoft Bookings. Then to access Microsoft Bookings on the website, click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Then click on Bookings, and after clicking you will be directed to the Bookings homepage. Create a new booking page by clicking on Create Booking Page. Then click on Create from Scratch. Then fill in the blank spaces with the information required, such as booking page name, logo, business type, and business hours. Then click on Next. The next step is to invite a few people to get stuffed. Choose an option favorable to your business and then click on Next. The next step is to set up a service. Now this is where you customize appointment time as you see fit. After that, you can click on Next. Then go ahead and choose who can book your appointment, then click on Create. It's going to take a few seconds for the page to be set up, and after it's been set up, go to the left corner and click on the booking page. Under Booking Page, go to Manage Your Booking Page. Then select Business Page Access Control. Take the option Disable Direct Search Engine Indexing of Booking Page. Then click on Save. The next thing you'll need to do is to proceed to the Service section, and in order to access it, you'll need to go to the left-hand side and click on Services. Now here we have the chart to add number of attendees. Then click on the pencil icon beside the 30-minute option in order to edit the services. When you scroll down, you will see the maximum number of attendees your booking page has at the moment. But in order to change it, you'll need to go back to the Service dashboard and click on Add New Service. Now under the New Service, you'd have the option to add a service name, description, location, duration, notes, and below the notes you have number of attendees, and then you can either increase or decrease it using the arrows provided. After that's done, you can click on Saving the changes, and your maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings would be changed. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.